Need to redesign your WordPress website quickly and without spending a lot of money? Welcome to this tutorial on how to redesign your WordPress website in a few minutes. First, go to mycleverai.com redesign, then enter your website URL and submit. The AI will analyze your content and generate a new web design for you. The generation takes roughly 4 to 5 minutes, so we'll speed this up, and voila, the generated web design is finished. Scroll down to see it. You can review it and decide whether you like it. If not, you have a couple of options. You can generate multiple versions and choose the one you like most. If you like the design overall and want to edit some smaller parts, you can click the Adjust Design button and describe the changes you want to make. For example, here we want to change the font color and remove one of the cards. We submit the changes and wait. You can see that they were applied. Once you like the design, you can show the code. Here you can see it. Now we can just copy it or download it as an .html file and we have the web design saved. It contains all the HTML and CSS code. This is for one page of your WordPress website, but what if you need more pages? No problem, just specify which additional page you need and the AI will generate it in the same style as the first design. Just like here, we generate a pricing page for the same website. Same process as before. Review it, and if you like it, then simply download it again. Don't know how to integrate these HTML files into your WordPress website? Just ask our AI chatbot in the bottom right corner, and it will help you. That's all from me, and I look forward to seeing you on My Clever AI.